Konnichiwa minasan! Welcome back to Japanese Learning Hub, your gateway to fluency. I'm Reg, and today we're going to learn 10 more essential Japanese phrases for daily conversation, Part 4. These phrases will help you navigate daily life in Japan even better. So let's get started, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more language learning tips. Let's start. Our first phrase for today is "Iie, kekko desu," which means no, thank you. It's a polite way to decline an offer. For example, if someone offers you food and you want to decline, you can say "Iie, kekko desu." Next, we have "Mo ichido itte kudasai." Please say it again. For example, if you did not catch what someone said, you can ask "Mo ichido itte kudasai," which means please say it again. Yukkuri hanashite kudasai. Please speak slowly. To ask someone to speak more slowly, you can say Yukkuri hanashite kudasai. When you need someone to slow down, you can say Yukkuri hanashite kudasai. Odaiji ni, get well soon. To wish someone a speedy recovery, use odaiji ni, which means get well soon. For example, when someone is sick, you can say odaiji ni. Wakarimashita, I understand. To let someone know that you understand, you can say wakarimashita. For example, if someone explains something to you and you understand, you can say wakarimashita. Onegai shimasu, please. To make a polite request, say onegai shimasu, which means please. For example, if you need a favor, you can say onegai shimasu. Arigatou gozaimasu. Thank you very much. To express deep gratitude, use arigatou gozaimasu, which means thank you very much. For example, when someone helps you, you can say arigatou gozaimasu. Shitsurei shimasu. Excuse me. To excuse yourself or to politely interrupt, you can say shitsurei shimasu. For example, when you need to excuse yourself, say shitsurei shimasu. Gambate kudasai. Please do your best. To encourage someone to do their best, say Gambate kudasai. For example, when you want to support someone, you can say Gambate kudasai. Wakarimasen. I don't understand. To express that you don't understand something, use wakarimasen. For example, if you don't understand something, you can say wakarimasen. Great job, everyone! Today, we covered 10 more essential Japanese phrases for daily conversation. Remember to practice these phrases to get comfortable using them. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave a comment below and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Japanese language tips. Arigato for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Mata ne!